So how do you add a DLL reference in Visual Studio? So first you want to load up your Visual Studio project, and then you want to right click on the project file right here in the Solution Explorer, and then click on Add, and now go to Reference and click on it. And now you can go down to the Browse and expand it. And from here you should find any recent DLLs that you had, or you can click on the Browse button here to navigate to a specific directory where you can get a DLL. And once you've selected it, check it in this list and then press OK. And that should add the DLL as a reference to your project. And then you can start using the DLL by typing, for example, using and then DLL name. So for example, libc.htid, and you can start using it in your project code. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.